Welcome back, ladies and gents, to another fun episode of 80s retro cocktails at home. That's right, let me say that again. 80s retro cocktails at home. Tom Dyer! So today what I'm going to be making for you is an electric lemonade. So there's a lot of people who haven't subscribed to this channel who are watching this right now, so please feel free to click down there and click subscribe and click that little bell because you'll be notified each time, every single time, I'm uploading new, super deluxe, awesome content like this. I know. Anyway, let's go on to the video. Somebody asked me on one of my previous videos if I can make some blue cocktails, so I'm going to do that today for you. And the reason why I'm in this new setup, at the moment we are on lockdown because of the coronavirus. Many places are in quarantine or lockdown, so I'm here at my parents' house. I didn't bring any bartending equipment with me, just some bottles and tins. So I've raided their cupboards and made this little home bar. And I've got cocktail umbrellas and stirrers, a little ice bucket, an egg cup as my jigger. Although I do have my tiki shaker and my grail jigger up top. A selection of spirits and liqueurs, some of which I've never heard of before. Obviously, I've got Jeff the Wavy Cat here to help me out. But today I am making for you the electric lemonade, which is a blue cocktail. So we do have blue curacao, vodka, and, wait for it, lemonade. That cool, refreshing drink. We want to make it in a tall glass. Okay, 3 moves there. 1, 2, 3. Thumb roll. Palm spin. Behind the back. So we're going to start off by getting our questionably clean tall glass. And you can make these at home. Okay, very easily. You just got to find the ingredients and everything else. This is ice, which, again, very questionable. Speed is not of the essence in this instance. It's just getting everything in there. And I'm going to show you something which you may have never seen before. See this? This is a reusable ice cube. Reusable ice cube. Okay? What it is filled with water. You put it in the freezer, it freezes. Bosh, you put it in the drink. Hey, presto, the drink is cold. And then once it melts, you put it back in the freezer again. Reusable ice cube. The future. So we're starting off with a measure of vodka. Now using this cup, this egg cup, I think that's about 25 mils, but you know, we don't have work tomorrow. There's nothing else to do. So we're just gonna double up the measures on this one. Because this is quite a large glass and you know, it's my bar, I do what I want. I'm using large measures. Ooh. Oh yeah, this is gonna be a strong one. We're gonna fill it up with a bit more ice because the ice has sunk down a bit. This one, oh, this is a seashell. Gonna put that one on top. That's another reusable ice cube. And to finish off, we need to top it with lemonade. Now, for the Americans watching, this is like 7-Up or Sprite. I know your lemonade is very different to our type of lemonade. So you can use 7-Up or Sprite or any other variant similar to that. Then we are going to chuck a straw in it. Now these straws were bought probably predate to the year 2000. So they are plastic. I'm sorry to the turtles. I will dispose of them accordingly. And then because this is retro style, we got ourselves a blue stirry stick right there. And we need a garnish. Here's a beautiful orange slice, which is just going to sit on the side of the glass right there. Obviously it's cut terribly because, you know, just the way it goes. And to finish off, we are chucking in there a proper Del Boy. For those who don't know Del Boy, there was a British TV show called Only Fools and Horses, and Del Boy used to drink cocktails very much like this, which were OTT, probably blue, pina coladas, that kind of stuff. And it's going on to Let me see if I can get a spin out of this. Oh, yes. Our waterproof napkin. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the electric lemonade. Let's give that a little mix. And that is super strong. Maybe it was a bit too strong, but I would drink it. It was, I mean, it's sweet, it's citrusy, it's lemonade-y, and it's got a kick to it, and it's blue. You can't go wrong, okay? So, I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna go and sit in the garden and sit out my quarantine. But until next time, good luck making your electric lemonade. I'll see you